Do you want to grow your money safely in Nigeria? Investing might seem daunting, but bonds are one of the simplest and safest ways to start. Let me guide you through the basics of bonds and why they're a smart choice for beginners. A bond is a loan you give to the government or a company. Instead of borrowing from banks, they borrow from people like you. In return, they promise to pay you interest regularly and return your full investment at maturity. Federal government bonds are the safest option, backed by the government. Here's why bonds are great for beginners. Low risk. Your investment is secure. Steady income. You earn interest regularly. Better returns than savings accounts. Your money grows faster. And they're great for planning your future goals like education or retirement. In Nigeria, you have different bond options to consider. Federal government bonds are the safest choice for beginners. State government bonds are backed by the states, offering some security. Corporate bonds can provide higher returns, but they come with more risk. If you're just starting out, federal government bonds are your best bet. Ready to dive in? First, choose your bond type. Federal government bonds are ideal. Next, open an account with a licensed broker or investment app like Cowrywise. You can start investing with as little as 5,000 Naira. Hold your bond until maturity for the best returns, or sell early if you need to. Bonds are a safe investment, but remember, selling before maturity might mean less money back. Interest rates can change, so stay informed. Always ensure your broker is licensed by the SEC in Nigeria. Bonds are a fantastic way for beginners to invest safely and earn steady income. You don't need a fortune to start. Just begin small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Ready to kick off your investment journey? Bonds are a great first step. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more easy investment tips in Nigeria.